Hi, thank you today for joining us on our another video of our so many videos that we have already forward on how to install properly tile in the GTA Toronto. What you're looking at here is we have a nice 36-inch by 18 on the floors, big tile. Everyone's going big and bigger. All porcelain, and then we have the nice 4 feet by 2 Calacatta tile. Okay, we have nice tight joints, nice straight joints, laser level, horizontal, and so on. Same with our floors. We have certain spacers that we use all the time, and provides us our either 1/16, 1/32s, 1/8, and so on type of joints. We're just gonna go through this master bathroom that we've just completed. We'll do a little walkabout here. As you can see, there are the metal edgings, typically done as a finished product of a corner leading into this section of where the toilet is going to be going. So there is going to be a nice tub going to be sitting right in the middle here on the floor. As you can see, the pipes, hot and cold, are there. Apparently they have picked a white tub. We will try and get the finished video on when all the fixtures and so on is totally completed. Again, give us a call at 416-937-8115 if you're looking for 35 years of tile installations. This is what we do: commercial, custom home, residential. This is a new build here. We've done 3 or 4 showers and tubs also, which are a little bit smaller in bathroom size. Again, this is quite a popular tile. This Calacatta. We have the trim going around the window, but definitely this size tile is superb. The 12 by 24s are sort of getting outdated these days. But if you have smaller areas, that's still fine. But when you're going with a big area between walls, floors, definitely the way to go. Here we have the quartz bright white jams. These are custom. Actually, we had to cut them at 6.5 to get a reveal type 1/4 inch there, or 3/8 reveal. Super. They have the niche. All in quartz too. Makes it all look like one big slab here. Just gonna cruise inside this shower. So everything is pretty big. As you can see, there's limited joints. There is no vertical here. It's just going horizontal. That's sweet. Here we have all the shower fixtures, hot and cold, and so on. And also, this is a nice suite, no verticals again, all big. Just to give you an idea of options that you can pick with different types of tiles that there are out there. Okay. So again, this is a nice bright white quartz. It is custom. It is quite hard to get. There are white all kinds, but the homeowner wanted everything bright white. Even the grout has to be really white. Again, we service the GTA Toronto, north, south, east, west of the city. We do heated floors, of course, nice and cozy floors that some of these bathrooms we can do for you. Definitely dry pack leveling here was a must, and it is on most of our floors before we install tile. Every new build or old homes, kitchen, bath, basements, and so on, magic is the dry pack concrete sand look at our YouTube videos on prestigetileInstallers.ca, and you can educate yourself on some of the videos on what is dry pack leveling. Not a liquid, that's for sure. Liquid soft leveling is not really the smart choice when you have a lot of depressions, more than 1/8 or quarter. I'm just going to do a little walkabout on the other shower and tub enclosures. So again, you can give us a call. We can give you some input information on how to get your job started right and done right the first time. Here again, they've gone smaller. Okay, nice 12 by 24. Excuse the mess, but you know, once we clean up, contractor's responsible for cleaning up everything. So again, we have the quartz. This is actually standard 6-inch with a 12 by 24 Calacatta style. Again, we have equal each of the pieces on both sides, so you'll get a nice vertical line going up, and same goes with the black tile. Again, it's all porcelain. So we centered it to the shower head here. As you can see, the hot and cold controls, equal pieces again. That's how the homeowner wanted it, and that's what we suggested to get done. So this is ready for the plumber and the glass shower doors and so on, and they can have a sweet shower here. We're gonna take a little walkabout over to the tub enclosure bathroom. Okay, typically again, so here's kind of the tub. It's almost ready to go, still covered up for safety purposes and not getting scratched at all. Here, sorry, it's kind of covered, but we have a 24 by 24. Okay, as you can see, the hardwood there, we have a nice flush transition. Okay, not really a stepping. So this is porcelain 24 by 24. We just install what the homeowners really like. Any type of tile, that's what we do. And we get the job done. So here we have same kind of thing for the homeowners. That's what they picked. 12 by 24 here in the tub. Okay, so we do split it again. We make the equal pieces instead of putting a 12 by 24 and having like a 4-inch piece right in the corner. Takes a little bit more time, but definitely is well worth it. We have a plastic, sorry, not plastic, metal edging here. They come in all different type of colors. Same with this side, from top to bottom, and that's it really. Looks nice and sweet. We have nice tight joints, nice horizontal, straight, vertical. Okay, you can see all the corners that they're not stepping or tiles are lippy. Okay, that is a big problem with the industry and with certain tile guys out there on the installations. Okay, this side, as you notice, we have the shower centered again, so that's what the homeowner preferred. It does look nice, you know. It goes right up to the shower nozzle up there, so the line pretty well suits the situation here on the layout. Okay, so the towel hits right down to the bottom, and then we have a nice detail here with the base wrapping around and so on. So again, give us a call at 416-937-8115. We definitely, after 35 years, will come on over, give you a price, a quote, give you all the good ideas on how to start your project and finish it all. Done once, done right, and without any issues of unprofessional or lippage and joints that are thick and thin and a mess. So what you see here, everybody, is what you will get at your house or commercial condos and anywhere that tile is installed. I'm going to be leaving you now, so look forward to looking at prestigetileInstallers.ca. Definitely, you have a bunch of whole pictures before and after of our projects. So we're not putting in magazine pictures. We are actually just going by our work before and after. So you see the different stages, how the job ends up turning out. People do like that a lot better. And our videos, of course, educational videos and so on. So if your contractors following what our videos are doing, you know, that's half the battle. You'll be in good shape. Again, our phone number is 416-937-8115. Give us a call. Thank you. Ciao.